From the top, make it drop. That's so wet, that's so wet. Now get a bucket and a mop. That's so wet, that's so wet. Hi. It's me. What are you doing? Dude, are you good? Louis, come. What are you doing? Why are you so scared? Dude.
Hi. Are you my mom's friend? Wait. My mom doesn't have friends. What are you doing? Huh? Whoa, buddy. Simmer down. I kick your ass real quick. Listen, we can take this outside. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Weave it. Weave it. I'm just gonna try to slip this over. Good boy. Shh. Can you slip that over? Like on his head? Yeah. Release the pressure a little bit. Good. Nice and relaxed. Good. I'm gonna get a catch pole. It's built for this. Then he's gonna argue me, and I'm just gonna do this. Yeah, dude, keep freaking out, and he can't get to me. I'm just trying to let him know that he can't win these fights every time. So now you can let go. See how pissed he's getting? Just teaching him, like, go ahead, keep growling and whatever. I'm not going anywhere, dude. Every time he snarls, he wins. He should win. Like, nobody wants to get bit. Just gonna wait for him to...
You ready to show off? Okay, get it.
哟，你还给我摆回去。
Hey, no, 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 no.
You are.
Yeah, shut up, honestly.
You're gonna, you know what? Next summer you're gonna be wearing your spring.
People always say that our neighbors must hate us. But what they don't understand is, the dogs know they aren't allowed to be loud outside.
with me to my daddy's house for the last time ever. And no, mommy and daddy are not separating, they are not getting a divorce, and they are not about to co-parent. In fact, it is quite the opposite. Drum roll, please. Mommy and daddy are moving in together. I am so excited because I love my daddy. Daddy's house. Daddy's house. Let's go. Okay, onwards. Quick little selfie. Looking so cute. My mommy picks me up and carries me through the lobby because I'm not allowed to walk on the floors. Why? Because management thinks that I'm some dirty animal, but whatever. Their loss. Obviously, my Uber is waiting out front. SUVs only, baby. I take advantage of the time in this car because I have my mommy's undivided attention, which means lots of scratchy scratches. I hold my mommy's hand because it is not a beautiful day in Miami today. The thunder is thundering, the rain is raining. So scary. And we're here. Obviously, the first thing I do is my little leg kicks to show all the dogs in this neighborhood that I am the alpha dog around here, King Louie. This is me walking towards the building, right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot, and it's about to rain. Mommy, let's go, pick up the pace. Right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot. My mommy picks me up and carries me again because management here also thinks that I'm some dirty animal. I mean, what the actual F? What is this? Hi, I'm here for daddy. Now let us up. And naturally, the front desk human obeys my order and lets us go up. This is me waiting for the magic teleportation box to bring me upstairs so I can go see my daddy. Someone cue the magic teleportation box music. Do 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 do. Now this is the moment I've been waiting all day for. My mommy undoes my harness because there is no mean security to tell us what to do. And freedom. I do some sniffing, I do some searching, and I quickly realize where I am. And I get so excited because I love my daddy. Daddy, let's go. Is this daddy's door? Yay, we're here. Oh wait, no, wrong door. Daddy, is this daddy's door? Yay, yes it is. Let us in. Now before I can do anything, I must eat my dinner because food is life. So good. What in the world is going on in here? There are so many bags, so many boxes. Daddy needs to get it together. This is not an adequate living space for a king like me, but I'll allow it just this one time. I help my daddy decide what we're taking and what we're donating. Mommy and daddy thought that this was their time together. Nuh-uh. This visit was for me. So naturally, I get next to my daddy and I steal my mommy's man. You jealous? No.
Own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!
I did my dance one time on TikTok and went viral with it.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ